You're on your way to school, the office or jogging, and then you see a spaceship in form of a UFO and it hovers above you. Immediately you see a beam of strong light and a figure descending from the spaceship. You gave in a closer look and then you saw what many persons have long wanted to see or communicate with. You saw an alien. Wait, how would you know it's alien? Probably its big ugly shaped head and wide eye sockets will give an hint. My question is, what will be your first line of action? With the recent discovery of Earth's stargazers on September 26, 2022, Jupiter is now ascending towards Earth. Wow! You might be wondering, is it going to crash into Earth? Jupiter will be making its closest pass to Earth, that's about 367 million miles, and that's 591 million kilometers away. What a relief! But at the same time it's at opposition. This remarkable event will make the gas giant appear the largest and brightest it's been in the night sky since 1963. Jupiter's opposition occurs every 13 months, though it almost never happens when the planet is on its nearest approach to Earth, known as perigee. The views should be great for a few days before and after September 26. Adam Kobelski, a research astrophysicist at NASA's Marshall Space Flight Center in Huntsville, Alabama, said in a press statement. So, take advantage of good weather on either side of this date to take in the sight. Outside of the moon, it should be one of the, if not the, brightest objects in the night sky. Now, what is planetary opposition? So not only will Jupiter be at perigee during this time, it also will be at opposition. But what exactly does that mean? The 8 planets of our solar system cruise around the Sun in concentric planetary orbits with the Sun at the center. Mercury, for instance, doesn't have nearly as far to travel as Earth, and Earth doesn't have as far to go as Saturn. None of the planets travel the distance Neptune has to. Planetary opposition occurs when a planet's orbit brings it between the Sun and another planet. The Planetary Society defines opposition as when the planet is opposite to the position of the Sun. That means a planet at opposition, or Jupiter in this case, is 180 degrees from the Sun in the sky. Because the Sun sets in the west, during planetary opposition, you want to look to the east to see Jupiter as it rises in the night sky. Isn't that cool? Planetary oppositions happen approximately once a year between Earth and those planets outside its orbit, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Earth and its closest neighbor, Mars, have such similar orbital speeds that Earth paces Mars every 27 months for a planetary opposition. And, because Mercury and Venus are located between the Sun and Earth's orbit, Earth will never be in planetary opposition with them. When and how to see a planet at opposition. Why is planetary opposition important? Planetary opposition gives astronomers and other stargazers the best views of our planetary neighbors. The planets often appear larger, brighter, and well placed in the sky during opposition. In this case, you'll be able to see Jupiter with the naked eye, but you can see it better with magnification from binoculars or telescopes, especially if you view it from an area with less light pollution. Jupiter is not the only planet you can see this year at opposition. Check out these celestial events that will occur during the remainder of the 2022 calendar year. Uranus at opposition, November 9, 2022, 8:41 GMT, 3:41 AM EST. Uranus should be visible to the naked eye, but binoculars will help. Mars at opposition, December 8, 2022, 4:24 GMT, 12:24 AM EST. Mars will be obvious to the naked eye, but take this opportunity to view it through binoculars or a telescope, as this will be the last time to see Mars at opposition until 2025. Now that's interesting. A planet is at opposition at the exact moment of time that the orbits cross, but the period of opposition lasts for a few weeks. A planet is observable at opposition on any date around that time. The planet will rise in the east, immediately after sunset. It will reach its highest point at midnight and set at dawn. Hey, feel free to comment on what planetary event you'd like to witness. And don't forget to subscribe and give us a like. Thanks for watching.